It's Thursday, the second day of July 2020, and this is from the mind of Joe. It was quiet last night on the patio. Not quiet like in late April or early May, when the cars were gathering pollen, flights were canceled for lack of passengers, and people were sequestered in their homes as the pandemic's first wave washed over us. But it was quiet nonetheless. A bit after midnight, flights were done for the evening. Only a few cars rolled by on the avenue, and the only real competition for the summer's crickets and toads soundtrack was the occasional cycling of the suburban central air conditioning units. With the family tucked away, and with both the temperature and humidity having taken the night off, I took advantage with a cup of tea and an audio recorder, thinking to capture some of the ambient sound from the patio. It wasn't always like this. As a matter of fact, it's never been like this, at least not as far as I can remember. But sometime after Memorial Day, things began to change. Maybe a bit tired of being cooped up since mid-March for the pandemic. Maybe enjoying the moderate transition from safer-at-home posture toward reopening, Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. Or maybe noticing the long absence of the police. As the Independence Day holiday approaches, the sounds of backyard fireworks has been on the rise, as have some other sounds masquerading in the fray. At first, the stray sounds would spin the household to high alert, but now, over the course of just a few weeks, hardly anyone raises an eyebrow. Maybe after the 4th things will settle back down, with more people less likely to attribute the noise to neighbors blowing off steam. Or maybe not. Maybe, with the stresses shifting and intensifying, just maybe, this is the beginning. We'll see where it leads.